I've written algorithmic software that helps me deduce EEGs, which are brainwave sets. So there's a large database of 250,000 people called the Loretta database, which is just brain sets from all over the world, which is the normative database for analyzing neurofunction. So I got this database. It's a nonprofit. It's great that they make it available for anybody doing research. And then I proceeded to write my own analysis software to actually diagnose and analyze that data. It's complex, but it's allowed me to, just like, the Hubble telescope looks outward in space, this software looks into the mind. And I've been able to deduce the different networks that affect our physiology. And then the patch is a delivery mechanism that connects the mind to the body. It helps restore those programs that regulate our body. So whether it's pain or sleep or stress, all the different things we've talked about, we can do it through physics, not chemistry. Modern medicine is stuck on chemistry. But the reality is we're all vibrational. Everything in our body is vibrational. That's how our mind communicates with our body. It isn't through chemistry. It's through vibration. It's through electrical signals. Electrical signals are just frequencies. And once we figure that out, we can solve almost any problem in the world in time.
Yeah, well, you're not selling me on it because I already believe it. Like I try to tell people. And it's that simple too.
It is that simple.
People think they try to complicate it, because it's complicating for your average brain, and it's like, well, who created us? Like that shows me where we were created. We didn't just come out of some
soup
mud pile.
No chance.
and even if we did, I ask, okay, so let me ask you a question. At what point what happened so that little amoeba or whatever it was,
there's no chance,
then became what, a fish? Because there was only one. It didn't turn into 75 different kinds of fish, and there's hundreds, thousands of kinds of fish.
Yeah.
And then those fish eventually walked out of water and then grew legs, and then they grew feet, and then one turned into a giraffe, and one turned into a rhinoceros, and one turned into a bumblebee. Like, come on, like there's no,
listen,
it's not possible.
There's an eminent biologist, and I forget his name, and he just presented this at a leading biology ethics conference. And he said, listen, he goes, for life to spring out of non-life particles, the permutations and combinations for the length of time that it would take for that to happen is longer than the universe has been around. Number one. So he goes, so the probability of it happening are next to zero. That's the first thing. He goes, there's no chance that could happen. Second thing, he goes, we have never discovered or found a single, and that's just to become a single cell organism. We've never found anything that went from a single cell organism to a 2-cell organism. Because how did we become a 1 trillion cell organism? And the thing that debunks all of it is the thing that separates us from everything else, which is our consciousness.